And as soon as you say something, you hurt somebody's feelings, they want to go report your page. Don't start your shit. It's too fucking early. That's just it. Shit. Oh, she thick, bitch. This is not a sponsor. This is the Aunt Jackie's. I don't got time for all that. I'll pick that up in a minute. She is thick. And this is for stuff. Hello. Wash this, rinse this out. Please don't come up in here with that rude, goddamn, oh my god, or nothing like that. I'm blocking everybody that does that. And that's me being rude. Okay. Good morning. Why are you trying to shoot your shot? I already have a man and I'm happy with him. It was cute though, but yeah, don't want you. Why would the fuck would I date somebody off the social media? Hmm. The only person that's cooked is you and your fucking fat ass mouth. That's the only person that's cooked. You don't get tired of being a dick rider early in the morning. I'm just asking. Good morning. There's the chat can't help you. I just said I have a man. So what that mean?